It's a 75mm Pack Howitzer. It is on what they call conditional loan to the Silent Wings Museum. It came from the United States Army and was transferred to the Silent Wings Museum to use to tell the story of the American glider pilot and the glider program. What we're doing today is complying with some Army regulations to demilitarize the howitzer, to make it inoperable. And there are certain points along its carriage, certain points in the breech that have to be welded shut. The barrel has to be plugged to make it demilitarized. We
were actually approached by the Silent Wings Museum. They approached us, asked us if we would be interested in a project, such as this. And, being South Plains College, wanting to help the community and show support, for everybody around. We gladly said yes. We've got the space available, the equipment, and the capable students also on hand to take care of all the kind of work that's going into something like this. Because the way this is constructed, had we just started in the middle at step 3 or 4, we wouldn't have access to steps 1 or 2 anymore. So we have to develop a plan and a procedure, and that gives them experience going through and logically thinking out the set of events and how they need to occur.
If you become a skilled welder, you can build airplanes, you can build the facilities that run aircraft, you can build airports if you know how to weld. Worked out really well to have Mr. Stratton bring his students into the project and get to participate in a really active way with preserving something that is a museum object and tells a really important story.